Let me show you under 1 minute how I'm using the stainless steel pan to avoid such mess. First, I'm heating the pan around the 1-2 minutes. Then I'm testing with a spoon of water. If the bubbles of water go around the pan like this, then your pan is ready to fry. It literally takes 1 to 2 minutes on a high heat to prepare it. I am gonna add oil, and after literally like 3 to 4 seconds, you will, for example, break your egg, which is the most difficult thing to fry in stainless steel pan. You're gonna just break it and just wait until it whitens. At this point, you can just turn the heat lower, not to burn your egg. I usually just turn the heat off because the pan is very hot right now. So it's hot enough to cook the egg completely. So that's how I'm using the stainless steel pan. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and comment.